thank you for having us here. Yeah.
Would you introduce yourself?
So I am Ayush Sharma. I am currently a fourth year undergraduate at IIT Delhi, and my branch is mathematics and computing, and this is my last year at IIT Delhi.
Oh, your last year?
Yes, it's my
And
last
your
year.
major is mathematics and
Computing.
computing.
Yes.
I heard that that major is the highest, need the highest score, right?
Yes, because it involves a lot of rigor mathematics and it's very hard for that. Like it's a bit very rigorous and profs are also a bit strict in that department.
Yeah.
So you have to study a bit hard for maintaining a good grade
Yeah.
compared to other departments.
So many people think about IIT students are super genius.
No, it's not like super genius. IIT students basically crack an exam. So if you study hard, you study well for that exam. Basically, if you put in consistent effort, so you can get in here. It's not like that who has not come here and did not crack that exam is not a genius. He can also be a genius. But it's basically that for cracking that exam.
Wow.
Before exam, it was you can say there was not time, so I did not calculate it, but I tried to utilize most of the time for studying. Basically, more than time, I used to focus on what amount of work I can do, how much time can I dedicate it to it. It was before exam, but in college, it has become very less.
Oh, really?
So yes, so in college, I study before the exams mostly, not that much.
All right. You're from here, Delhi?
No, I am from Bharatpur. It's a 2 hours drive away from here.
2 hours.
4 hours.
2 hours. Is it Haryana or
No, it's in Rajasthan.
Rajasthan?
Yes.
Wow, you're from Rajasthan.
Yes, I'm from
Yeah.
Rajasthan. You might have heard of Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary.
Birds?
Bird Sanctuary.
Bird sanctuary.
It's a world famous bird sanctuary in Bharatpur.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Say that about
You
it.
might have not heard it, but it's very famous.
Okay, I'll check that.
Which company or industry do you most want to work for
So
after graduation?
I've been working at a company Aftershoot where I'm working as a front end developer. So currently I'm working at that company, and in future I'm more than company. I'm looking towards my goal I'm for developing more solutions, and I want to do something in more AI and ML field as well.
AI.
And ML field, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Would you prefer to work for an Indian IT company or a US tech giant like Google, Facebook, Microsoft? That?
I would love to work for a US tech giant as well.
All right. So next year, if I continue, you are in US company maybe.
Yes, maybe
Yeah.
possible.
Amazon, Google. What is your favorite? Amazon, Google,
There's
or
not something as favorite.
Microsoft?
There's no such favorite. It's depending on the role what they're offering.
Oh,
they
yeah.
They also offer different kinds of roles.
Yeah. So role is the most important thing.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So what role do you want?
Currently I'm working as a front end developer and back end developer at Aftershoot, and I would want to continue in that field, and would also, if possible, like to work in some machine learning or
Machine learning.
and AI fields. Yes.
AI field. Yeah. Okay.
So as currently I'm placed, so what preparation I made was I solved for DSA questions as I was preparing for mainly software engineer profile. So I prepared for DSA questions from various platforms like LeetCode and Codeforces. So this was the main preparation. Other than that, for interviews I used to give some mock interview to my friends and study some core concepts of software engineering. That was the main preparation I did. The main thing was to study the DSA concept, because first we have an way round where we have to clear the test and then the interview. So for clearing the way rounds of many companies, we have to study DSA problems from various platforms like LeetCode, Codeforces, coding class.
All right. You said DS is data science.
No, DS is what I'm referring to is data structures and algorithms.
All right.
Data science is related to machine learning and everything.
All right.
Yeah, ECEL, I was a part of that ECEL.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yes. So it's a club in IIT Delhi which tries to promote interest towards startups among students, among new students, and create conduct various events, sessions, or like encouraging the students to build their startups and like go in that field and think that like not only job, this can also be a career option.
All right.
What I think about it is like because in India we face a lot of competition, and if someone goes up, it goes up from a very rigorous competition. So like they are trained for like competing in very competitive environment and making quick decisions, and like that's why that is the reason that they are leading major tech companies in USA. As I said, like in Indian education system, like, in my personal opinion, it's not mainly because of the system. It's basically because of the environment that we are in. Because like I stay in my hostel, and if I see my friends doing something, I will also be encouraged to do that. I will also go in that field. I see my seniors, like there are many founders of big tech companies from IIT Delhi, and there are many people who are in good posts at some big companies from IIT Delhi, and if I say I am here, like I would think like I also have an opportunity to do that, and so I will work hard for it. So I think that environment is the main thing that helps us do that.
Good. That sounds really cool. Yeah. And you know, it seems like Indian geniuses are also interested in entrepreneurship, right?
Yeah. So previous sometimes like the students and the parents as well were mainly focused on jobs, like get a job, get a good life, like. But in the current time, let's say like 7 to 8 years, like there has been a very much boom in entrepreneurship, and there are many investors who are coming in, who are funding in new startups, and students are also going towards thinking like why do we work for someone if we can build our own startup? So like there are many students going towards that way also.
Yeah.
Yes.
So many unicorns were born in India, right?
Yes.
Zomato.
Like his
Swiggy.
founder is from IIT Delhi only.
Oh really?
Yes.
Wow, you're senior friends, right?
And like he is very senior, but yes,
Yeah.
he's from IIT Delhi.
Yeah. Aren't you thinking about starting your own business?
Yes, like I would love to if I get some idea, like a good idea which I think I can work on. If I get some people with the same views on it, then I would really love to start something.
Okay, so what's the atmosphere like among the students around you?
Like it's a very chill atmosphere. Like we have good friends. We do a lot of fun. Like it's the last semester of our degree, so we are having more fun than usual because we have very less classes in the last semester. So currently it's very chill, and we are just enjoying the last semester of our college.
I heard that many IIT supported the entrepreneurship in here, right?
Yes, like as I said, ECEL is promoting like startups, and like there is also a thing like called deferred placement set, and like I have a startup idea, I have worked some on it, it has generating some revenue or it has gotten funding from somewhere. So like a student can opt for a deferred placement. So in that like that student can work on the startup idea for 1 or 2 years, and in case if that fails, if it has not worked that well, he can sit in placements after 2 years. So that is a support side. Like he has something, he can focus on the startup idea, and if it in case it fails, he can come back to placement and secure a better life there.
That's good.
So this is the support that IIT Delhi gives to students for startups.
Okay.
Yes, there are like not much currently. We have just started earning, many of us, so like we do not invest that much. But like there are some of us who invest continuously, and like there are many firms who come here for placements, like big quant firms. So like some students are also going to work there as well. So they will be like that. I think like maybe the robotics industry or like electrical industry, like because of like maybe automated cars. So I think they might have a good
Opportunities. Wow. I think it's similar in Korea and US also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, robotics.
We have seen that like many US startups or ideas have worked well in India. So like many Indian startups are like just a copy of US startups who have worked well here. That's why it's going to work well in India also.
Yeah, thank you. Do you know Korea?
Korea, like country or language?
Country.
Country, I know obviously.
Yeah, yeah. Do you know the Korea content?
Uh,
I mean, movie or music or drama or something?
like I don't have seen much
Okay.
like, drama.
원래 천재들은 I do. Alright. So,
He also wants to get featured.
yeah, I know. The reason why you are here is that in Korea, many people consume the India images.
Image.
Yeah. Image is more kind of view.
Okay.
India's aspect, like not that good. I mean, they focus on poverty or some bad infrastructure thing like that kind of thing. So I want to change their aspect. Yeah, because I've been here around 15 years and I saw a lot of things in here, and there are a lot of good things in here.
Yes.
Yeah, the first one is the human resource math, because they have very big ego inside and they do a lot of effort. So I think India is getting better and better and better very faster than we expected. And then this kind of very nice university or buildings and everything. Yeah, I want to introduce that kind of thing. So I want to see you. You are the first one. What I expect India is getting better, right? Very young and talented, and you are in the computer science. Yeah, so I bring them. You guys have to see by your own eyes. Yeah.
Like it's good. Everything has a good side and a bad side. Like you have to
Yeah.
show both the sides equally.
Yeah. I think India has more than
Bad side.
bad side. Yeah.
The only thing I want to tell, like, please visit India. Like, as you have also visited, like, there are many places to visit in India. Its culture is very vast, and if you go to north, you'll see a totally different amount of culture. You go from east, you'll see a very different culture.
Yeah.
West and south, if you go from south, they have totally different tradition. So I just want to tell everyone to visit India, and they will get to know more about Indian people, and that's I want to share, because if they meet us, they will get to know more about us and they will learn more regarding the educational perspective. I just want to say the Indian students are very work hard, and we are also focusing more towards in startups, and from the last 5 or 6 years.
Yeah.
So it's a very good opportunity for foreign investors to invest in India.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Ash.
Thank you.
컴퓨터 걔 때문에 갑자기 불러놓고 그러면 우리 학생한테